viewers, welcome to my math class. Today I am going to explain that the multiplication in the Vedic mathematics. So I already explained in a previous video the multiplication by the Nikilam method. But here today I am going to explain that the multiplication by Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. This is the another method and easiest method. So how it will be? So in this method, if you observe in this method, so we have the three parts of the answer: right part, middle part, and a left part. So how it will be? I will explain by the one of the generalization example problem. See that. So AB into CD. First of all, concept 1. So product of two-digit numbers. Concept 1. Product of two-digit numbers. So two-digit numbers means AB into CD, for example. Now what is the multiplication of this? First of all, arrange the given two numbers in this form. A into B, C into D. So now see this. So here, if you observe what I said in this method, so the answer contains three parts: right part, middle part, and a left part. So right part is the product of the extremes of the right values. So product of the extremes of the right values, that is B into D. So this is the right part of the answer. And take some slide mark. And now what is the middle part? Middle part comes A into D plus C into D, means sum of the product of the cross digits. See here, sum of the product of cross product. See, A into D plus BC. So this is the what? Middle part. So now what is the last part of the answer? Last part is what? Product of the extremes of the left values, means, so here 10 split digits, A into C. So this is what? AC. So this is the product of the or multiplication of the two-digit numbers. So generalization formula. So how it will be? So we will take one more example problem. See example. Find 2 3 into 3 2, for example. 2 3 into 3 2 means 23 into 32. So how it will be? See this. Very easy. First of all, we have to arrange the given two numbers in the form of specific order. 23 into 32. It can be written as 2 3. 2 3 and 32 3 2. Take some gap for understanding only. So now what? This answer consists of the three parts: right part, middle part, and left part. So right part comes from the product of the extreme values of the right. So means 3 2 is 6. So you have to multiply 3 2 is 6, and the right part of the answer. And now what you have to do? Sum of the cross product of the digits here. See like this. So 2 2 is 4. 4 plus, so 3 3 is 9. This is the sum of the product of the cross digits, and the middle part completed. Now the last left part is what? Product of the extremes of the left side values. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So this is the answer. So here 3 into 2 you have to take better. 3 into 2. So this is the solution. So the final answer is what? Final answer is, see, 3 2 is 6 and 4 plus 9 13 and 2 3 is 6. See, so when if you will get here the two-digit number, so the 10th digit carries to the next number, carry forward to the next number. So you have to add this. So the final answer is 6 plus 1 7 and 3 is and 6 is. This is the answer. So 23 into 32 is equals to what? 736. Very easy. So this is the Urdhva Tiryak Sutra method. Okay. So take one more example. Find 32 into 21. 32 into 21. How it will be? See this. 32 into 21 can be written as what? 32 21. Now what? First of all, multiply the extremes of the right side values. So 2 1s are 2. 2 into 1. So this is the right part of the answer. And 3 ones are 3 plus 2 twos are 4. This is the middle part of the answer. And next, so must last multiply. 3 twos are 6. 3 into 2. This is the left part of the answer. So the final answer is what? So therefore, this is 2 into 1 here. What we can write? 2. And for this 3 plus 4 7. And for this 3 to the 6. So therefore the final answer is 32 into 21 is equals to 672 is the answer. No need to carry to add the next successive number. So why? Because here so all are the single digits only. Okay, the next concept 2 is product of 3-digit numbers. Product of 3-digit numbers. How it will be? So by taking the generalization formula ABC into DEF, these two are the 3-digit numbers. So ABC is the one of the 3-digit number, DEF is another 3-digit number. So what is the generalization formula here? So first of all, multiply the right side of the extreme values, C into F, CF, and B into F plus C into E. So BF plus C is the second part. And now the middle part of the answer is, so A into F plus D into C plus B into E. So this is the middle part of the answer. And next, by taking the cross multiplication of these two, A into E plus B into D. So this is the fourth part. And then the last one is A into D. So AD. This is the product of the extremes of the left side values. So now this is the final answer. And now let us take that one example. 123 into 321. How it will be? So right as is 123 is the one of the 3-digit number. 321 is also one of the 3-digit number. So now we have to multiply 3 ones are 3 first step, and next 2 ones are 2 plus 2 3 are 6. Okay, second step. And the next 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 4. So third part, middle part completed. And the next 1 into 2 plus 3 into 2 6. So 2 plus 6 is the fourth part completed, and the final part is 1 into 3 is 3. So now that by simplifying this, what we will get here? By simplifying this, we will get, so by simplifying this, we will get what? So right side 3 as it is, and now 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8, and the next 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. And the next one, 2 plus 6, 8, and the last is 3. So these are the final simplification values. And now to find the final value of this 123 into 321, so we have to here add the carry to the next numbers. So means 3 as is a single digit number, 3 as is you should write. And next 8 is also single digit number, 8 as is you should write. And now see here 14. In this 14, 10 is carried forward to the next number. This it will become as 4 as it you should write. 8 plus 1 is 9. And now the last one is 3. So 39,483 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand this. So how to do the multiplication of the 3-digit numbers by the Urdhva Tiryak Sutra in Vedic mathematics. I hope you understand. Okay, so thank you very much.